I'm right now at an airport, at an airplane, and there's a person getting deported to Afghanistan. Please don't take my phone, don't touch my phone. And the people here working are trying to take my phone away from me just because the person is going to get deported to Afghanistan where there's war and he's going to get killed. Right now, there is not the person that the family is, there's a family outside at the airport that thought that their brother and son was going to get deported today, but there is another man who's 52 years old that is going to get deported to Afghanistan where he will most likely get killed. So I'm at the airport and the people working here were trying to take away my phone, and the people who have been trying to deportate the old man have actually pushed me and tried to forcibly move me. And what I'm all saying is that I'm not going to sit down until this person is off the plane, because he will most likely get killed if he is on this plane when it goes up. And the pilot has the right to say that he is not allowed to be on the plane. And as long as he is not on the plane, then I will comply.
Kardeş, biz de aynı şekilde düşünüyoruz bu arkadaşlar. Eğer
So as I said before, Ismail is not on this plane. It's an
paramızı versinler.
Bu karar benim değil şu anda.
Tamam, pilot bey mi veriyor? Kim veriyorsa versin o kararı.
thank you.
Aynı düşüncedeyiz yani. O çocuğu önüme göndermenin bir anlamı yok. Ya çocuğu indirsinler ya hep beraber biz de edelim. Şey yok.
So there's a Turkish guy helping me out and telling me that what I'm doing is right,
We
right?
are with you. No problem.
He's with me,
Also
with him, and some people are really applauding all this that I'm doing, and there's a football team at the back actually standing up. I don't know if they are trying to listen what I'm saying, but as long as they're standing, this plane is not allowed to go out.
Calma, nós precisamos saber o que está acontecendo. O que é?
Vad är problemet?
Problem.
Det är
Português?
personen som ska bli deporterad idag.
Okej.
Han sitter ju längst bak och så länge som han är på det här planet så kommer inte jag sätta mig ner.
Okej. Men har du, men vet du någonting? Ska han göra någonting? Eller?
Han blir deporterad till Afghanistan
Okej.
och i Afghanistan är det krig och åker han dit så han förmodligen dör.
please calm down. Your mean, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Yeah. The flight
Your mean is
attendant.
this?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
No,
Please read it.
this is another guy that was going here today.